This is a setup in the laboratory of Bill Ross. We do electrophysiology combined with calcium imaging. We also do synaptic and intracellular stimulation of cells in brain slices and uncaging of different compounds. This is a very complex interaction of different things, and so we need to have good control over the different components. Some of this is done by computer, some of it is under the control of the Master8 system, and they all interact. So let me sort of show you the components. Here's the microscope. You can see there's two electrodes, one for intracellular recording and one for synaptic stimulation. On top we have two cameras, one for visualizing the slice and the other for doing high-speed imaging. Okay. We use two different Master8s in this system. This one on top is used to set all the parameters for stimulation. You know, the strength and interval of intracellular or synaptic stimulation, when we do the uncaging pulses, etc. These get changed a lot during the course of an experiment, and so that we usually change them by hand using the front panel controls. In addition to that, we have a second Master8 down at the bottom. This is under computer control, and this controls the frame interval and duration of the movie, the opening and closing of the shutter, and the synchronization of the electrical and optical signals. At the end, we have an electrical and optical data stream that get put together in the computer. It's very useful to have both the computer control of the Master8, because then we don't have to pay attention to how these parameters are changed, but also it's very useful to have this second one where we can change it by hand during the experiment. We find from experience that this is the fastest way for it to be done. The fact that both of them have 8 channels makes it certainly clear that we have enough capacity to handle all of our needs.